Hey there, Qatar! Ready to level up your communication game with Viber but hitting roadblocks? Well, stick around because we've got a surprise solution waiting for you at the end of this video. Introducing Mena VPN, the ultimate tool for unblocking Viber and connecting with your loved ones without restrictions. Let's dive into how Mena VPN can help you stay connected like never before. Here's the lowdown. 1. Download and install Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Open the app, sign in, and select a server location outside Qatar. 3. Connect to the server and launch Viber. Get ready to chat, call, and connect without limitations. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN offers lightning-fast speeds, rock-solid security, and reliable performance to enhance your Viber experience to the max. Don't let geo-restrictions cramp your style. Use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free. Connect with Viber and keep those conversations flowing with Mena VPN today.